All right. Now we're doing FreeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, basic JavaScript, accessing object properties with bracket notation. All right. So the second way to access the properties of an object is bracket notation with the brackets. If the property of the object we are trying to access has a space in its name, we will need to use bracket notation. So like this, there's a space here and a space here in these names. However, we can still use bracket notation on object properties without spaces, just like this one right here. All right. Here's a sample of using bracket notation to read an object's property. All right. So we've got const myObj. We've got space name has the value of Kirk. The property more space has the value of Spock, and the property no space has the value of USS Enterprise. And this doesn't matter that this has a space because it's just a string. All right. So we've got myObj space name will give us Kirk. myObj more space will give us Spock. And they've got these spaces inside these strings. And you can see they're using both kinds of quotes. It doesn't matter. And then myObj no space is going to give us USS Enterprise. Let's reiterate. myObj space name would have the string Kirk. myObj more space would be the string Spock. And myObj no space would be the string USS Enterprise. All right. So note that property names with spaces in them must be in quotes, single or double. All right. So here we go right there. So now we're going to read the values of the properties an entree and the drink of test_obj using bracket notation and assign them to entree value and drink value respectively. All right. So we're going to do bracket notation here, and we'll have the quote n space entree like that. And then we'll do down here, we'll say quote the drink. All right. Now let's come down here and do some console.log action to prove our point. Console.log. And we'll say entree value. And you see it says hamburger right there. Let's get drink value. Copy this. Drop it off. We got water. And now let's just do it the normal way or the bracket way and say test_obj. And then we'll have the brackets. And we'll say, in quotes, my space side like that. And you see it says veggies right there. So hamburger, water, veggies, just like that. Let's run the test. Looks good and submit it. All right. Now we're on to accessing object properties with variables. And we'll see you next time.